Have you ever wished you could make real-time changes to your database directly in your Power BI reports? Imagine updating forecasts, adjusting budgets, and simulating scenarios, all within your trusted Power BI environment. Let us introduce you to accoPLANNING. Our solution brings together advanced tools for planning, forecasting, budgeting, and data management, so you can easily analyze and edit your data without needing any technical expertise. One challenge many organizations face is the inability to input data directly within their database without having to go through the ERP, master data, and BI teams. Currently, updating data requires accessing the original data source, making changes there, and then refreshing the whole database. This process can be difficult and time-consuming, especially for those without technical skills and direct access to the underlying data. accoPLANNING addresses this issue by enabling seamless write-back capabilities in Power BI. Let's take a look inside. With Writeback, all users, not just those with access to the original data, can make secure data changes directly within a user-friendly environment. This results in a faster, more efficient, and interactive data management experience. By integrating Writeback functionality with accoPLANNING, Power BI becomes a much more dynamic and interactive tool for data management. You can even combine both numeric and text data in your Writeback solution. In the showed case, you can add comments to your forecast on cell levels, and it will also be stored in your Writeback table. The solution offers several key benefits. Real-time adjustments allow users to make changes directly within Power BI, with updates instantly reflected in the underlying data systems. This ensures that data is always current and actionable. Enhanced data interaction transforms Power BI into a more interactive platform, enabling users to input, update, and adjust data on the fly. This makes managing and analyzing data much more intuitive. Streamlined processes mean there's no need to switch between different applications for data entry and analysis. This simplifies workflows, saves time, and improves the overall user experience. Improved planning and forecasting are particularly valuable with Writeback, as it enables users to make real-time adjustments and immediately see the impact of those changes. Error correction and data validation become easier with Writeback, allowing users to correct errors and ensure data accuracy directly within their reports. What if simulations are another advantage, enabling users to model various business scenarios and gain deeper insights for better decision-making? Incorporating Writeback transforms Power BI into a comprehensive tool for data analysis, planning, and decision-making, empowering businesses to manage their data more effectively. So, are you ready to see how accoPLANNING can revolutionize your business? It's not just about adopting new technology, it's about transforming how you work. By integrating Writeback functionality into your workflow, accoPLANNING turns your Power BI dashboard into a powerhouse for real-time business optimization. Imagine having the agility to make instant updates, the efficiency to streamline your processes, and the power to drive smarter decisions all within a single platform. Get started today by downloading the visual in Power BI through Microsoft AppSource. You will be up and running in no time.